most violent, the most diabolical, the most dangerous, a beast slayer, a conqueror's conqueror, the goat of all goats.
Roony Bardghji came to Barcelona at a price of 2.2 to like 2.6 million euros. It was very low, a very low cost signing with high upside. And I remember looking at that transfer, I'm like, okay, fine. There's no risk. Everything's going to be okay. Even if Roony Bardghji underperforms, it's all right. It's only like 2 or 3 million euros spent. It's not that much money. However, if he overperforms, Barcelona are going to look like the smartest club in the world. And I believe that that is exactly what is going on. Roony Bardghji came to Barcelona at a price of 2 to 3 million euros. He's overperforming, and Barcelona have made the correct decision. They have brought in the right player. And when I mean by the right player, I mean like a player who has the capability to rotate with Lamine Yamal without dropping our level. That is going to be my biggest take. We do not drop our level when Lamine Yamal is not on the pitch. And when Roony Bardghji is there, he does a phenomenal job. He is a player that gives me the Pedro spirit. I don't know if you guys remember Pedro from the Barcelona team of 2008 through 2015. Pedro was a hustler, somebody who ran up and down and no matter the cost. Somebody who, even though he knew that he did not have the biggest name like a Messi or Suarez or Neymar, Pedro still gave out 110%. And I feel like we're seeing the exact same thing play out with Roony Bardghji. Roony Bardghji does not have the biggest name. If he went to Real Madrid and he was a Real Madrid player, then yes, he would have the biggest name because of the PR. But because he plays for FC Barcelona, his name is not that much amplified. But when he does get the chance, he overperforms. And no matter how many times Flick benches him, he never really complains. He never really has an attitude. You never see him on the bench and he's like, oh my God, bro, like I'm so tired of being on the bench. Like I'm bored. Let me talk to my friends or whatever. Like Endrick is out here not playing, getting benched, and he wants to talk to all of his friends, and that is the reason why he's making that move to a different club. With Roony Bardghji, it's a whole other different, I would even say, spirit and mentality. Roony Bardghji knows that this is a waiting game. He knows that his chances will come, and he's very professional, very mature. And one of the most beautiful things that I saw in this match between Barcelona and Athletic Club is the moment Roony Bardghji did get his goal, the first thing that he did was to go straight to Hansi Flick and to celebrate with him, as if Hansi Flick has been playing Roony Bardghji every game since the beginning of this season. But no, Roony Bardghji just went up to Hansi Flick and he said like, thank you for everything, thank you for helping me, to celebrate with him, to make sure that the atmosphere is positive. And I love that. He is a player with great mentality, with great professionalism. And Hansi Flick stated this after the match: I'm extremely happy with Roony Bardghji. He's been again excellent, as every time I trusted him. Roony Bardghji also stated, you always need to adapt when you arrive at a new club, but I'm grateful for the minutes I get. Of course, a player always wants to play, but I'm learning from every situation. And Roony Bardghji, yes, he is learning from every situation, gaining more power as games do go by. Roony Bardghji currently has 6 goal contributions in 413 minutes. 413 minutes after 5 months into the season is not a lot, and for him to get 6 goal contributions for FC Barcelona so far, that is averaging a goal or a assist every 68 minutes. So Roony Bardghji's efficiency has been great, and as I always do, right, every time I do talk about one player, I also want to congratulate the other players around him, because this is a team that needs to have great synergies, great chemistries, because if you don't have anything. No player overperforms, but Roony Bardghji has great teammates around him. Everybody else has also been efficient. When we look at the Barcelona attackers this season, Ferran Torres so far has 14 goals and 1 assist. Lewandowski has 9 goals and 1 assist. Rashford has 7 goals and 8 assists. Roony Bardghji has 2 goals and 4 assists. Rafinha has 9 goals and 4 assists. We have Lamine Yamal with 9 goals and 10 assists. The player with the most assists, by the way, it is Lamine Yamal. The player with the most goals, it is Ferran Torres. And then you have Roony Bardghji here and there floating around, giving out goals and assists for the chances he is given. But you look at those numbers, right, and you see that yes, it makes sense that Roony Bardghji, every time he gets on the pitch and he hustles and he gives 100% focus, he is going to be getting the reward because the players around him service him, or he likes to service for his teammates. So a great start for all players this season, and I'm very happy for Roony Bardghji. I can't believe that Barcelona spent only 2 million euros on Roony Bardghji, who has 6 goal contributions, and then meanwhile you have Real Madrid, who spent 65 million euros on Masterclass, who only has 1 goal contribution this season. It's insane to me. Like, nobody calls that out, but I'm here to call everything out. Is either Real Madrid overpaid or Barcelona underpaid? I think it's both. Here is also going to be the stats for Roony Bardghji against Athletic Club, who scored 1 goal, provided 2 assists, created the most chances, which was a total of 4, the most dribbles with a total of 2, had a 91% pass accurate rate, 7 touches in the opposition box, 2 out of 3 successful take-ons, and 4 out of 7 ground duels were won. So this has to be Roony Roony Bardghji's best performance in a Barcelona shirt. And I just love his game. The way that he's able to scan the pitch, look at the spaces. He knows exactly where to run, how to make the defenders fear him. He locks in with the flow of the match and the flow of other players. He never slows down the game, and when he does, it's because the rest of the players are slowing down the game. Roony Bardghji is somebody who commands the pitch, and when he has the ball, the defenders do look a little frustrated and unable to predict where he is going to go. So that is going to be my analysis on Roony Bardghji. Let me know in the comment sections down below. Do you believe that Roony Bardghji was one of the best players for Barcelona in the match against Athletic Club? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.